Hello everyone. In daily life, one comes across situations that can be challenging and requires us to take effective decisions. These situations often influence to the state of our mind, so much so that we cannot take effective decisions. Neither events in life nor the states of our mind happen with our permission. In fact, the events and states of mind often occur in direct defiance to our wishes. Meditation can bring about a balance between the states of our mind. We can learn to switch from the tough aspect to the gentler aspect within us. We can be firm when appropriate and at the same time let go when needed. This ability is present within everyone, and meditation enables us to switch between these states effortlessly. If stress has you anxious, tensed, and worried, consider trying meditation. Spending even a few minutes in meditation can restore your calm and inner peace. It has been practiced for thousands of years. It originally was meant to help deepen understanding of the sacred and mystical forces of life. These days, meditation is commonly used for relaxation and stress reduction. Meditation is considered a type of mind-body complementary medicine. It can produce a deep state of relaxation and a tranquil mind. During meditation, you focus your attention and eliminate the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. This process may result in enhanced physical and emotional well-being. When our mind is calm, we are able to make better decisions, thus creating a more harmonious and positive atmosphere around us. And these benefits don't end when your meditation session ends. Meditation can help you carry more calmly throughout your day, and it may help you manage symptoms of certain medical conditions. When you meditate, you may clear away the information overload that builds up every day and contributes to your stress. Apart from benefiting physical health, meditation improves concentration and helps one to be in the present moment. If you observe, the mind vacillates between the past and the future. We are either angry about the past or anxious about the future. Meditation helps to bring the mind to the present. When the mind is calm, we are able to perceive things better. When the mind is disturbed, our perception is also disturbed. The emotional benefits of meditation may include gaining a new perspective of stressful situations, building skills to manage our stress, increasing self-awareness, focusing on the present, reducing negative emotions, increasing imagination, creativity, patience, and tolerance. Meditation might also be useful if you have a medical condition, especially one that may be worsened by stress. It may help people manage symptoms of conditions such as anxiety, asthma, cancer, chronic pain, depression, heart disease, high blood pressure, irritable bowel syndrome, sleep problems, tension headaches, etc. Meditation is not a replacement for traditional medical treatment, but it may be a useful addition to your other treatments. There are many types of meditation and relaxation techniques that have meditation components. All share the same goal of achieving inner peace. The ways to meditate can include guided meditation, sometimes called as guided imagery or visualization. With this method of meditation, you form mental images of places or situations you find relaxing. You try to use as many senses as possible, such as smells, sights, sounds, and textures. The other one is mantra meditation. In this type of meditation, you silently repeat a calming word, thought, or phrase that helps to prevent distracting thoughts. Then we have mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation is based on being mindful or having an increased awareness and acceptance of living in the present moment. In mindfulness meditation, you broaden your conscious awareness. You focus on what you experience during meditation, such as the flow of your breath. You can observe your thoughts and emotions, but let them pass without judgment. Different types of meditation may include different features to help you meditate. These may vary depending on whose guidance you follow or who's teaching a class. Some of the most common features in meditation include focused meditation. Focusing your attention is generally one of the most important elements of meditation. Focusing your attention is what helps free your mind from the many distractions that cause stress and worry. You can focus your attention on such things as a specific object, an image, a mantra, or even when you're breathing. Relaxed breathing. This technique involves deep, even paced breathing using the diaphragm muscle to expand your lungs. The purpose is to slow your breathing, take in more oxygen, and reduce the use of shoulder, neck, and upper chest muscles while breathing so that you breathe more efficiently. A quiet setting. If you are a beginner, practicing meditation may be easier if you are in a quiet spot with few distractions, including no television, radios, or cell phones. As you get more skilled at meditation, you may be able to do it anywhere, especially in high stress situations where you benefit the most from meditation, such as a traffic jam, a stressful work meeting, or a long line at the grocery store. A comfortable position. You can practice meditation whether you're sitting, lying down, walking, or in other positions or activities. Just try to be comfortable so that you can get the most out of your meditation and aim to keep a good posture. It is good to be grounded while meditating. Earthing or grounding is being in conductive contact with the earth. It is connecting your body to the surface of the earth. And it is a surprisingly powerful way to reduce pain and inflammation, sleep better, improve circulation, and normalize blood pressure. The health benefits of earthing can be far reaching. That's because earthing supports your body's ability to heal itself. It enhances the immune response, reduces inflammation, and speeds recovery from injuries. Connecting to earth helps us to top up on energy and rebalance our body systems. Then in meditation, it is important to have an open attitude. Let the thoughts pass through your mind without any judgment. Now let's do mindful meditation focusing on our breath with the help of Breathsoul Breathing. Adjust your body in a comfortable position. Make sure your body posture is straight. Close your eyes and start the practice by becoming aware of your breath. Remember to inhale through your nose, filling your chest and stomach with the air you inhale. And exhale through your mouth slowly. Notice the inhalation and exhalation. As you notice the breath, continue to let go of thoughts as they arise. Each time you are distracted by clinging to a thought, return to the breath. Keep doing this over and over again. Eventually, as you exhale, become aware of your breath, escaping and dissolving into the space. Experience the same thing while inhaling. Slowing down, begin to allow your awareness to mix into the open space with the breath on both the inhale and exhale. To deepen the practice, begin to hold the breath after inhaling for a few seconds before you exhale. By doing this, you are splitting the breath into 3 parts. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Keep doing this. As you continue with exhaling, relax more. Continue awareness practice, letting go of thoughts and returning to the breath. Do this for as long as you can. Initially, when we start doing this, we might not be able to see much of a difference, but with regular practice, we can attain a huge set of benefits. Some of them are, it can instantly put you to sleep. It gives more oxygen to the body, thereby improving the overall health and improving the health of internal parts. It relieves stress and helps to manage our emotions. It helps in attaining an overall calm feeling inside. Our entire existence is experienced through our minds, and our perspective of life can dramatically alter once we begin meditating. Being inspired to start meditating is very different from actually doing it. However, you will only feel the benefits of meditation by beginning and maintaining a regular practice. There is no such thing as a good or bad meditation. There's only awareness or non awareness. The moment you realize you're lost in thought, that's awareness. And that's when you return to the object or focus, that is usually your breathing. This is all you have to keep doing. Return from your distracted thought to your breath. All the time, honing your awareness. With perseverance, the periods between the awareness and distraction will get longer and longer. Meditation doesn't promise to solve your problems, and there's no guarantee of everlasting happiness. Life, with all its challenges and uncertainty, will still happen. What meditation can do is, it will change how you choose to relate to, react to, and view the circumstances happening around you. It offers a pocket of stillness amid all the outer chaos. With a consistent practice and with a certain amount of open-mindedness and a willingness to investigate, the change it brings about is gradual, subtle, and intangible yet profound. It involves a growing sense of awareness and understanding that can ultimately change the way you feel about yourself and others. So that's all in this video. Happy meditation. Wish you a healthy life forever.